Hey, what's up, everybody? It's that guy, Skimpy. Hey, today, opened my mailbox and my buddy Todd sent me some custom jigs. And what I mean by custom jigs is I mean that they're actually custom. Like, he designed the head, brought a blank mold into a machinist, got it made and everything. And, we've been talking back and forth and, through text and whatnot. And I finally get these in my hands, so I'm super excited. I'm about to open this package, and man, we're gonna paint them up and skirt them up. All right, let's do work. Oh my God! Look at it. Vinco mold. This is the 5-inch one. Yes, sir. Got a mail call. I've actually been looking forward to seeing these in person for a while. Let me open it and show you. Yes, sir. 1/2 ounce with owner. Look at this thing, man. These things are awesome. So my buddy Todd at TLS Custom Jigs designed this head, and he went and got a blank do-itmolds blank mold, designed it up, took it to a machinist, and had his own custom mold made. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is awesome. It's almost like a brush jig and an archy head jig and a poison tail jig mix, man. I can't wait to fish this thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint these up, put some skirts and stuff on them. We're gonna see how they look and how they turn out. He did design it around the owner hook Zowire. Like I said, these are 1/2 ounce 4/0 hook, nice beefy hook. Not gonna lie, man, these are pretty badass. All right, so here's the colors that I chose. The reason I chose these colors is I use these colors a lot, and I wanted to pour these in some colors that I'm going to use. We'll just go with the first one. The first one is Go Time. It's like a green pumpkin with blue flake in it. The next one is this Sprayed Grass, which is like a watermelon with purple and green flake. Next one is your Old Faithful black with blue flake in it. One of my favorites is the PB&J. And then we got this Bama Craw. This Bama Craw is awesome. It's like, I think it's either orange or copper type flake in like a pumpkin. And also it has a little bit of black flake in it too. Bama Craw is turning into one of my favorites. I don't know why more and more people aren't talking about this Bama Craw color. Anyways, they're already in the oven baking, and then after they get done baking, gotta epoxy some weed guards in there, and then it's time to put some skirts. All right, I got them all painted up, epoxy the weed guard in there. It's ready to skirt. So here's the Go Time. Here's the black, blue flag. Here's the PB&J. Here's the Bama Craw. And here's the Sprayed Grass. So now it's time to pick out some skirts for these and finish them up. All right, so here's the skirt colors I chose for each one. So first, this Go Time. We have these two, which, let me get the part numbers. So we have green with blue interference, which is this one. And we have watermelon with blue. So for the black with blue flake, I chose these two, which is black with blue flake. And the other one, I actually don't have the little tag in there, but it's blue with silver flake. I know that some people go, you know, a lot of blue, and some people go a lot of black. I just go half and half. For the PB&J, I have this pumpkin with violet interference with purple flake. And then for the other one, good old June bug. For the Bama Craw, these two colors here. Once again, I don't have it, but it's root beer with orange flake. And the other color is amber with green and gold. And for the sprayed grass, I have these two. I know they look similar, but one is like a candy and one is just black flake. So we have watermelon candy, which has the same colors in it. And then I just got one tab, straight up watermelon. Okay, let's skirt them together. All right, here's one last look before we put the skirts on. All right, they're all skirted up. Everyone came out awesome. Well, there it is, the TLS custom jig by my boy Todd. Super excited for these, man. They came out great. Like I mentioned before, I've used these colors on other jigs, so I know that these colors will produce. Man, I'm excited to fish this thing. These are awesome. Really cool. You got to check them out, man. Go jump to his Instagram page and check it out. But yeah, like I mentioned before, these are like, it's like a brush jig, a poison tail jig, and an arky jig all in one. You're gonna be able to flip this easy. You're gonna be able to drag it, and you can swim it. Shout out to my boy Todd, man. These came out awesome. I cannot wait to fish these. Another thing I wanted to mention is Todd, man, he sent me a message and it really pulled on my heartstrings. Man, I'm going to share it. I don't care. He says that, you know, him and his two boys, they watch my videos and they watch them together. And then, you know, if they like the mold or whatever that I'm showing, that they go out and buy it and they make these jigs and stuff together. And he says, you know, because of my videos, he gets to spend a lot of quality time with his kids. And I'm going to tell you right now, that really pulled on my heartstrings because, man, that's why I do this. And yeah, you know, I'm very blessed. And I appreciate everybody watching. And hopefully you're spending some quality time with your kids and watching the videos with your kids. Yeah, all right. Well, hey, guys, Big shout out to my boy Todd. I appreciate these. Go check them out on Instagram. Man, I appreciate everybody. That guy Skimpy.